Christmas is over, all the gifts are unwrapped, and in this video, I'm showing you what I got for Christmas. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. I am so blessed. I got way more than what I anticipated, and certainly way more than what I needed. I am not 6, but I do believe in Santa, and he was really very good to me this year. So let me show you what I got, and I'll start off with showing you what my husband got for me. First of all, he went to Jared's, and he got me another charm for my Pandora bracelet. And I always like to get the latest Christmas charm, so this year I got this one right there. Isn't that pretty? So I've gotten so many beautiful charms, and I just love to wear this bracelet. So I got me a new charm for my Pandora bracelet. And then he also got me a pair of earrings. Just silver earrings. I had lost one of my silver earrings and one of my gold earrings. So I was wearing mismatched earrings for a while. Then I found the other gold one. So he bought me a pair of silver ones so that I would not be wearing mismatched earrings. And then the thing I really needed was this. He bought me a new tripod, and this is what it looks like. I can't show you the real thing because I got my camera on it. But I've been needing a new tripod for so long. My other one was broken. I had cracked one of the little screw plates on it that the camera sits on, and sometimes my videos would be like slanted, that kind of thing. So I am so pleased to have this new tripod. Now I got to learn how to work it well because it's a little bit more advanced than the other one that I had. But I'm so glad to get it. So those are the gifts that I got from the hubby, and things that I really needed. So there's that. And then my daughter got me this. It's a Michael Kors computer bag, and she's always getting after me about looking like the bag lady. Mom, you're carrying too many bags. You got a purse, you got a book bag. My book bag is actually a large bag that could be used for a diaper bag, and I have my iPad, my Kindle, and different things in it, books and things that I carry back and forth if I'm going to a class. So she said, all you need is one nice bag, and so she got me this one in this kind of a rose color, which I didn't have. And I can put my iPad right here in the center, because I've got one of those big ones. So I can put my iPad or my laptop right here in the middle, wallet and whatever else I need on the other side, and just carry one bag. So I'm going to try to make that transition so that I don't look like the bag lady. The other thing that I got from that same family was this, and it is a little boom box, a portable boom box, and it's got, I guess, Bluetooth capabilities and also auxiliary capabilities. But the big thing about it is that it will play my CDs. As you guys know, whenever I'm cooking or cleaning, or if I'm working on the checkbook, I'll have a new book on CD playing. And I burn them out about every couple of years, but this last one that I've been using is a black one. You've seen it on the counter. It skips track 7. So no matter what DVD or what CD I put in there, track 7 is not playing. And it just kind of skips and skips and makes all kind of scratchy noises. My husband's cleaned it a couple of times. Doesn't make a bit of difference. He says it doesn't help when I take them outside in the garden when I'm gardening. I guess dust gets in them. But I figure if I can't use it the way I need to use it, what good is it? So I have a new one. Let's hope this one lasts at least 2 years as well. So I got that. What one of my nieces gave me a cute little recipe box. She knows how I love to cook and make recipes. So not only is there the little box, but inside there's the recipe cards. This one is from Zizi's mom. You guys have seen me do Zizi's laundry. So anyway, this is from my niece Chrissy. I also got a cast iron brazier. I was wanting one of these, but I really wasn't going to put it on the list. I kind of told my sister Max that I was wanting one of these, and we had looked at a couple, so she must have passed that word along. But look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? It's kind of a blue-gray. And I'm certainly going to enjoy using this baby. Now let me see the color of it. See, look at there. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm really looking forward to cooking something with this. You'll get to see. And it's heavy, heavy, heavy. And in this bag, I got a beautiful reed diffuser. It's got a really pretty jar, and then it's got some reeds in the top, and it's sugared cinnamon. And so what happens is like the sugared cinnamon aroma just kind of sifts out into the air, and so, or wafts out into the air. So I'm really looking forward to using that. I also got a pair of red plaid pajamas, and I love pajamas, particularly in the wintertime. Sometimes at the end of the day, I might want to just put on a pair of pajamas and then just kind of sit in the family room and watch TV with the hubby. And the leather sofa can be a little cool, so these will be very nice for that. These came from my two littlest granddaughters. They're 6 and they're 8. And it says, eat, drink, and be merry. And you know, they picked the right thing for me. So this will be perfect in one of my vignettes for next Christmas. So there's that. And then I believe my daughter-in-law gave me this. And it is a Christmas card display. So I can hang this on the wall. And then you just tuck Christmas cards down in the ribbons, kind of like that. Isn't that adorable? So I'm loving that. People just know what I love and what I like. So I've really been pleased. And then, oh, look at this one. The stockings were hung. So I'll have this up next Christmas as well. So I love that kind of thing. And then she also included a couple little fall leaves, so I will be able to use these like little hot pads, or I don't know, just something to put on the table for next fall. And then a 4-piece flameless candle set. So I've been wanting something like this, these little LED candles, and there's like a little remote control in them that you can kind of turn them on and off. But I've been wanting some, but they were just so expensive, I just did not spring for them for myself. So it's real scented wax, and it's has a 6-hour timer built in. So I am really looking forward to using these, and I can use these all year long depending upon what display I'm working on. So this is great. There is another little fall leaf there. I wonder where they got those. They look like one of my friends who does quilting things. And then I've got a compact little mirror set. Well, a compact little mirror. And it says, I love you. Kind of got bling on it. And so this looks like the kind of thing my little granddaughters would get for me too. But I love this. So now I've got a little purse-sized mirror to use. And then my sister Max, or Mickey from Live, Laugh, Love, and Pray, her and my mom got me these brushes. They're It Cosmetic brushes. Funny thing, because when I opened up the box, I said, oh my God, are those Morphe brushes? She says, no, those are better than Morphe brushes. Those are It Cosmetic brushes. And whenever I see her doing her makeup, I'm always going on and on about her brushes, and they feel so good. So I'm looking forward to using these. So I'll do a get ready with me and let you guys see me use those. And from one of my other sons, I got this beautiful little Vera Bradley book bag. And I love these colors. It's almost like watercolors, you know, like they've been painted on. So these are beautiful. So I'm looking forward to using this. And then the last thing I have here is from my other son, and him and his wife gave us, to my husband and myself, some things to help with sleep. So this one is a aromatic lotion called Focus, and you just kind of put that on all over your body. It's got eucalyptus and tea in it, and it'll just kind of help to relax you. And then there is this stress relief eucalyptus and spearmint body wash and foam bath, which I love. I love to take baths, particularly when I'm stressed. So when I'm having an at-home spa day, this will be perfect. And then there is the lavender and cedarwood body scrub with natural oil. So this one I'm sure my husband will love, but sometimes he has a little trouble sleeping, not most of the time. I tend to be the one who has more difficulty sleeping, but if I'm flipping and flopping like a fish, that's keeping him awake. So this will benefit the both of us. And then inside that was a gift card as well. One for Starbucks and one for Fandango. So I told him I get the Starbucks card, and then the Fandango one we'll both use because we go to the movies together. So there's that. So that's what I got for Christmas, and I just thought I would like to share that with you this time. Not saying that I'm anything super special or super bad, or that I got anything super fantastic, but it was certainly super fantastic for me. And it's just really interesting how each person knew exactly what to get for me. It's like they really put some thought into the gifts, and I appreciate that. So thank you to all my family for blessing me with all of this. I really appreciate it. Now before I go, I just want to share with you just a little bit about some of the changes that you might be seeing on my channel. One of the things that I want to try is some 1-minute cleaning videos and some 1-minute cooking videos. I've been working on this, and we'll see how well it turns out, but I saw it somewhere else and I thought, oh, what a good idea to see if you can just kind of put a content out there and tell the whole story in a minute. So we'll see. So I'll be doing that, and I will get back to my Wellness Wednesday now that the holiday is over. I've got some things planned coming up, and I'll try to get the Wellness Wednesdays up at least twice a month. Those particular videos take more work than my cooking and cleaning videos, so I can't get them up as quickly. And then if I'm working with a professional, it certainly takes a minute to get on their schedule. So I'm going to try to get back to showing those again as well. And once I get my website for This and That with Denise Jordan up and running, then I will try to connect the magazine articles that I write for Women of More magazine there so that you can go and see those. But typically I will do a Women of More health related issue that might be similar to one that I do for you, but the one in the magazine might have different information or more in-depth information. And I think you'd be interested in seeing that. So there's that. And the other thing is that I really want to get back to planning. I don't know, I just got so busy trying to stay on top of all those challenges and doing this and doing that I got away from the planning videos. And I know some of you joined me for that reason. And several of you have commented that you missed my planning videos. And then Max has said, I missed your planning videos. So I plan to get back to doing that too. I'm going to try to at least once a month have a planning video, which will be my monthly mission board, and I'll give you some ideas as to what my goals and objectives are for the month. And then we'll see if I can get any weekly planning done as well. My word for 2019 is strategic. And I want to try to be strategic in all the things that I do. So I will continue to do the Shout Out Sundays, and I will ask that you help me by sending me either in the comments section for the last Shout Out Sunday or sending me an email letting me know of upcoming collaborations or challenges that you hear about. If you host a challenge yourself, please put the words open invite or open invitation in your title, and then when I search YouTube, I can find it. But sometimes, depending upon how people word it, I don't find it, and I'm not getting all of the notifications. So there's that. And as I said, I'm going to try to be more strategic about what I do and what I bring to you. And I'm certainly going to try to continue to minister to my young wives as well. And certainly I'm going to try to do something with the budget, because I have got to really refine my budget. So I'm going to try a no spend January. So we'll see how that happens. Now, I've only got another day or two before January starts, and I wanted to get out to Hobby Lobby and I didn't get there yesterday. And so Monday is New Year's Eve, so if I'm going to go, I'm going to have to go then. And I want to hit Pier 1 because in January it's a no spend January, and so it'll only be for absolute necessities. So anyway, I'm digressing now. But I did want to share with you what are going to be some of the new things or changes that you see on my channel. And I'll also continue to talk about, like on our shout out Sundays, we'll try to do an update and see how people are doing with their vision boards and how they're coming along with their money challenge if they decided to jump into that. So now, just so you know, I've raised 3 children, I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.